Hello, friends. Welcome back to Digital Marketing Tools and Techniques. In the last few days, we had seen how to take some basic reports from Google Analytics 4, like city-wise traffic segmentation, region-wise traffic segmentation. So today we are going to see another type of report in Google Analytics 4, and that's a device category report. The device category report is simply the report that shows from which devices the traffic is coming to a website. So usually the visitors might be browsing through different types of devices, like they might be browsing coming to a website through a laptop, desktop, a mobile device, or smart TV, something like that. So if you want to see that report, it's clearly visible in the Google Analytics dashboard. As usual, just go to the left navigation links, scroll down, and come to the user section. And under user section you can see tech tech menu. Click on the small arrow there. The menu will get expanded. So click on the overview. Yeah, so when we click on the tech overview, we'll be directed to the tech overview dashboard. Just scroll down. Here you can see in the right side, you can see users by platform or device category. Okay, means from which platform, uh, either through web or anything like that, and the device that is driving traffic. If you go scroll down a little bit, you can also see the exact device category report, users by device category report. It's in a graphical format. We can change the graphical format. I will show you later. So if you click on the link view device categories, just below this box, click on that. Now you will be able to see a detailed report about the device category. Like here we can see we have traffic from desktop, mobile, and smart TV. So you can see how many users came, how many new users came to your website, what's the engagement ratio, engaged sessions, average engagement time. So a lot of data will be available there for your information, and you can take the relevant insights from this table. So that's how we can get the device category report from Google Analytics 4. I hope you understood this tutorial. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share this video, and also provide your valuable comments in the comment section. And for those who are coming to this channel for the first time, please kindly, I request you to subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications whenever I upload new video onto this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.